Oh no!
So that is not real, obviously. This, however, is real. As you all know, last Thursday, went into surgery to have a replacement of a shoulder, a complete shoulder replacement. They can do amazing things these days. But what they can't anticipate in the MRI or the CT scan or whatever, or the surgery prior to pulling everything apart, is what it looks like inside there. After several hours, they discovered infection and some other issues. Basically, what this means is my shoulder, this thing here, this left shoulder, is going to be in op for quite some time. Don't know how long, but as you can see, I'm not going to be able to professionally handle the knife or cleaver or any type of instrument of sharp content for cooking, which is going to put a hazard on the cooking show. We certainly don't want to have this show up on a live show. So as of this Saturday, I am going to be postponing the live cooking show as we've known it for I don't know how long. I'm driving to work. This is kind of fun. I'm driving to work on Monday. I get a call from Loveless.
Hey, how you doing, Steve?
Oh, I'm doing great, guys. What's up?
Well, I'm glad you're taking some time off.
Okay, I'm driving to work.
You got a couple weeks lined up, right?
Yeah, a couple weeks.
By the way, you're not going to be driving for probably at least 10 days to 2 weeks, right?
And I'm driving.
Keep in mind, this guy is traveling well over 120 miles an hour at some point.
My minivan in about 90 miles an hour down I-40. So yeah, it was kind of funny. Yeah, no, I'm not going to work and I'm not driving. I got you covered, babe. Yeah, my intentions were to come back and go strong as usual. Unfortunately, the habitat of this shoulder is constraining me desperately. So we are going to be postponing. I apologize. I am going to be putting out a little parody video on Wednesday today, along with an email blast that you should be receiving, giving you an update on all this, and I'll be updating probably with a short video every Wednesday or so, just keeping you informed about our progress going forward. But as of right now, I do have all the checks, all the winnings are out. Those are those beautiful bottles here that Shanna, her fiance, made. Those went out according to schedule, as well as some gift cards and all of those that won checks last week. In our scallop, is it scallop or potato video, that one has been extinguished out as well. So all the funds are there, but we will stay in touch, like I said, on a Wednesday basis. But as of this Saturday, you will not see this accident occur live. I just can't do it, guys. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you soon.